Hello guys, welcome back to class. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the colors of your yarn, and I'm going to be using two different colors of yarn. I'm going to be using the yellow and this other color. Also, I'm going to be using 4.0mm hook. So let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to start by making a slip knot. Then I'm going to make 10 chains. So I'm going to make an additional chain. That's my turning chain. So I'm going to yarn over, then make double crochet. Nine, 10. So I'm going to chain one, then make one more row before we change the color. So yarn over, go into the first stitch, make a double crochet, yarn over, double crochet. Now into the last stitch, I'm going to make my last double crochet stitch. So before I complete this, I'm going to change the color of my yarn. So I'm going to take the other yarn, this is my other yarn, so I'm going to join it. Now I'm going to chain one, pull this, so now I'm going to start the next row. So yarn over, go into that stitch, make your first double crochet, yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, double crochet. Double crochet, then into the last one, double crochet. So I'm going to chain one, then turn my work. So yarn over, double crochet, double crochet. So before I make my last double crochet, I'm going to join back the yellow yarn. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut it from here. So I'm going to make my last double crochet with the brown yarn. So yarn over, pull through two, but don't complete this with this color. So you're going to use the other color to complete it. Then chain one. So I'm going to cut this. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to make double crochet with this color. I'm going to make 5 double crochet with this color. 1, 2, 3, 4, Now the last one, 5. So before I complete this again, I'm going to change back to my other yarn. So I'm going to bring my yarn. So guys, since I'm still going to change to the yellow yarn in the next row, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it along. I'm not going to cut it, I'm going to bring it along. So let me show you. Yarn over, then make the double crochet. So you can see that I'm bringing it along. Yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, double crochet, then the last one, yarn over, double crochet. So I'm going to change the color again. So instead of joining it this time, I'm just going to pick it from here. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to chain 1, then continue. I'm also going to bring the brown yarn. So yarn over, this is the first stitch. First double crochet. So yarn over, go into the second one, yarn over, into the third, yarn over, into the fourth, yarn over, into the fifth. So before I complete the fifth one, since I'm going to change my color, I'm going to take this yarn, then I'm going to change it. So I'm going to yarn over again, continue with the other color. Three, 4, then the last 5. I'm going to chain 1. So guys, this is how you change the color of your yarn.